In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send stickers in WhatsApp on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp and then just get into a conversation. Now guys, all we have to do is just tap right here at that icon and then switch to stickers. That's where we can easily find all our custom and recently used stickers, all our favorite stickers, and also some collections of stickers from WhatsApp. If you would like to send one, all you have to do is just tap on it and it will be immediately sent to a conversation. If you would like to create your custom sticker, you can easily do so right from here. To do that, just tap where it says create and that will open up your camera roll, and from here we can choose any photo. I'm gonna choose that one to demonstrate you how it works. It automatically detected an object from this photo, and then down below here it shows me just one result with this white outline around this object. And then to create this sticker, all we have to do is just tap at that button to create and send it to a conversation. On some photos, it can detect several objects, and also down below here it can offer you several options. Just like in that case, I can create a sticker that looks like that. Also guys, we can edit this image. If we hit right here at stickers icon, we can add some sticker from that huge variety of different stickers. We can add there our own sticker or a sticker by WhatsApp like that one. We can easily add it and put it somewhere here at our sticker. Also we can add here some text, and if we hit add pencil, we can, by dragging it up or down, select color to draw here something in that way. Once it is done, hit add done, and then we can easily send that sticker to our conversation. As you can see, all our changes has been applied. And now from here we can, let's say, add this sticker to favorites by hitting right here, and then later on if we decide to send a sticker, that's where we can easily find it. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.